Hey everyone, welcome back. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to all notifications. A Hotwheels Collector's RLC exclusive selections has a 1997 Toyota Supra. This 1997 Toyota Supra has taken the top prize as your selections #2 casting for 2025. Features opening hood with engine details, removable targa top, body color Spectra Flame dark purple, body type Tarmac, wheels rear rider 10-spoke wheels, base full metal matte black painted chassis, window color light smoke tinted, interior color black. The price of a car is $30, releasing on 21st October 2025 at 9 AM Pacific time. For more info, check out the links in the description. Our second new upcoming RLC car has a Ford Mustang SVT Cobra with a detailed engine. Check out the sneak peek of this car. Now let's check out a 1:43 scale model as a XL models by Hot Wheels. So our first car is a Porsche 934.5. A 1983 Chevy Silverado. A Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32. A Toyota Supra. A El Segundo Coupe. And a Donut Drifter. The all-new Tooling Alert by Tarmac Works presents a 90s Vertex tuned Toyota Aristo JZS 161. This iconic sedan hides the legendary 2JZ GTE engine under the hood, the very same powerhouse founded in a Toyota Supras of the era. The estimated time of arrival will be March 2026. A D1 legend of an era and forever, a Vertex Takiro Uno's Ridge TE3005 Soarer is the true D1 Grand Prix icon, driven by the founder himself, with vibrant red full Ridge kit. The estimated time of arrival will be March 2026. Built from the iconic FD, beneath the Mazda RX-7 wheelside Fortune 7 eye-catching body lies a rotary monster expertly tuned by the wheelside hands. Pre-order has been started. This model features a color chrome chase model. The estimated time of arrival will be March 2026. The Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.316 was the top choice in German touring car racing throughout the 80s and 90s. So pre-order this beautiful 1:64 scale model, and this model features a color chrome chase car. The estimated time of arrival will be March 2026. A CM Models presents a Pagani Imola. Color of a car, metallic emerald green. made from die-cast, releasing between January and March 2026. Our second model by CM Models presents a McLaren Solus GT. The color of a car is 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed Timeout Shoutout winner, made from die-cast, releasing between January and March 2026. Our third model by CM Models presents a McLaren Senna GTR. Color of a car, metallic silver grey, made from die-cast, releasing between January and March 2026. And the last model for today's episode is by CM Models, presents a Pagani Zonda Revo Barchetta 1 of 1. Color of a car, Mara livery, made from die-cast, releasing between January and March 2026. So check out the sneak peek of this complete lineups. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And also, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.